history of the Nike Yeezy line remains one of the most controversial chapters in sneaker culture. Despite the messy fallout between Nike and Yee, and his subsequent exile from much of the mainstream fashion world, the impact of his designs is undeniable. Among the most iconic is the Blink colorway, which became a cultural touchstone throughout the 2010s. Its aesthetic influence bled into countless silhouettes, from the SB Dunk High to the Foamposite and even the Roshe Run, often with no direct connection to Yee himself. Now, over a decade later, Nike's ST Flare, a performance basketball shoe exclusive to China, has surfaced in a two-pack that pays clear homage to those legendary Yeezy designs. While the neon green outsoles are absent, the red collars and mixed material uppers clearly nod to the Yeezy 2. US sneakerheads will need to hit the resale market, as the $90 ST Flare remains a China-only release for now.